Hi there, my name is Matt from Govee, and today I wanted to share some recommendations and tips for getting the most out of your Govee reactive lighting system. We know some of you have some issues sometimes with color representation and accuracy, and so that's why we wanted to show you how to get the best colors you can. As you can see, we have our immersion kit set up here, beautiful blues and greens that mimic exactly what's on the TV screen. But we know sometimes there's problems with color accuracy, and I can show you one of those scenarios. We have a lamp set up pretty close to the TV. I turn this on, and immediately you can see that the screen transitions into red. Why is that? It is because the light from the lamp is reflecting off of the TV screen, and that reflection is being caught by the camera. So you can see, now I'm going to turn off that lamp again, and our beautiful green reappears. Now we know some of you also like to place your ColorSense camera below the TV screen. So I'm going to turn on our lamp here. You can see again, some of the colors are messed up, they're not very accurate. We turn off our lamp, the accuracy comes back. But we do want to remind you that when you place it below the TV screen, it's facing up, and that can lead to interference with the ceiling lights above. So let's turn on the ceiling lights and see what happens to our color accuracy. We're going to turn them on, and you can see that, with the blues, with the greens, we suddenly don't have perfect color accuracy. But when we turn them off again and watch in a dark environment, those beautiful colors do come back. And so please make sure, especially if your camera's below the screen, to be very careful about turning your ceiling lights off for a better experience. Now, we know we have a lot of users that also love decorative lighting around their entertainment center, right underneath their TV. But again, watch what happens when we do that. So I have a little red light over here. I'm going to turn this on. And as I do, I'm going to put it in the corner of the TV right here. And again, you can see that our camera, which is specially trained to pick up all these beautiful colors, is picking up the red of that lamp, and that's transferring onto this light bar and backlight over here. Again, when I take it away, we return to that beautiful, precise screen. The decorative lighting, when you're using the system, when you're enjoying your TV, try to keep this off or move it away. Any close lamps, keep them away. And that will give you the best, most beautiful color accuracy you can have. Now, the last reminder we want to give you is about our immersion kit system. That not only comes with backlights, but also our light bars. We do want these light bars to be at least 20 inches away. And that's because if you have them too close to the TV, it can also interfere with the camera. These are just some tips and suggestions for you to get the most out of your Govee reactive lighting system. And we really hope you enjoy and have a great experience.